What the hell was that about?
I don't know.
This has to be some sort of elaborate joke, right? Right?
It's gonna be okay.
Need a tow or lock your keys in the car? Geico's emergency roadside assistance is there 24/7. Oh dear, I got a flat tyre. Yeah, can you find a take more dramatic on that last line, yeah?
Yeah.
This is an important message requested by the U.S. government and the CDC. This is not a test. There have been many reports of people with tree bark growing on their skin. This is most likely because of touching trees and or grass. If you see somebody with tree bark, report it to your local law enforcement. Stay tuned, stay safe, and God bless us all. This has been an activation of the emergency alert system.